Feeling rich or truly rich? Hello everyone, Roan Celis here of 1 Million Club. In this video, alamin natin kung bakit di dapat tayo magpadala sa status symbol. Especially in today's generation na usong-uso sa Facebook, ang selfie dito, selfie doon. Gastos dito, gastos doon. Madalas pag na-promote na officer sa trabaho, ang isang empleyado, naiisip niyang bumili ng kotse. Pwede naman bumili ng kotse kung kailangan talaga. Pero kung di pa naman, pag-isipan mong mabuti. Sa panahon ngayon, ang pinakamurang kotse ay nasa 12,000 per month ang amortization. 5 years to pay. Sabihin na natin 15,000 a month ang binabayaran mo, kasama na gasoline and parking. Alam mo bang pag in-invest mo sa mutual fund or paper asset ang 15,000 per month for 5 years, assuming the rate of return is 12% per year, ang investment fund mo after 5 years will become 1,225,045 pesos. After 10 years, your fund will become 2,158,948. And after 20 years, your investment fund will become 6,705,365. What about the value of your car? After 5 years, the value of your car is 0. So imagine the opportunity loss of your money. Another example is buying latest cellphone every year. Sabihin na natin 20,000 per year ang ginagastos mo sa gadget. Alam mo bang pag in-invest mo sa mutual fund or paper asset ang 20,000 per year for 5 years, assuming ang rate of return is 12% per year, ang investment fund mo after 5 years will become 127,057 pesos. After 10 years, your fund will become 223,918. And after 20 years, your investment fund will become 695,455. Yung gadget mo, 1 year pa lang, ang laki na ng decrease sa value. Or pwedeng 0 na ang value. Pero kung nag-invest ka, you are spending for something na nag-i-increase ang value over time. So ngayon tatanungin kita, anong gusto mo? Feeling wealthy ka? Sa Facebook, temporary kang sikat pero at the end wala kang ipon? Or truly rich? Di bali nang di sikat ngayon pero at the end, you're creating your wealth. Financial independence is not a dream. It is a priority. Take control of your future. Do you want to improve your financial situation? First step is to educate yourself. We are conducting free practical money management and investment strategies in Makati and Cebu. For those located in other provinces and outside the Philippines, we are conducting webinar. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to learn more about investments, you may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.